Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how you can avoid the Collector Leviathan that you can see out the window of the Tadpole Pens right now. It's the creature that guards the area between the lava zone and the alien ruins area. The simple answer is, it's actually a lot simpler than you think to not get eaten by the Collector Leviathan. So if you hop into your tadpole, make sure, I would recommend that you have the Scout Ray upgrade, the chassis that you can get from inside the Tadpole Pens handy. And once you do, just head over here to the area to the left of the pens, and then head straight down the edge. The easiest way to avoid getting destroyed by the Collector Leviathan is to just go right straight down here to this rock ledge, follow it along, and if anything bad happens, like the Leviathan comes over to try to kill you, you can hide inside of these rocks. So let's say he's following me, you can just nestle right in here, and I think he can technically still get you if you're in here. But he won't, because he for some reason can't really reach under here to get you. And you'll be able to tell where he is because he'll cast a shadow down here along the ground. You'll also be able to tell if he's there because the music will get all spoopy and murdery. You can kind of peek out here a little bit and look up and be like, is he there? Is he gonna eat me? But for the most part, as long as you're really low to the ground and you go along this edge here, you should be able to get back up this cliffside before he decides to grab you and do damage to your tadpole. And then that's it, really. There's not really a lot to it. He's actually a lot easier to avoid than you probably give yourself credit for. Once you're up here onto the Alien Ruins Plateau area, he shouldn't follow you too far over here unless you're actively fighting him at the time. Oh, yep, there he is. He's not far. He's always patrolling. He's looking for a snack. There's the boy. And you can tell he's near because the music gets very, very intense. And he just patrols a really short patrol path from like here over to there, where my cursor is, and then back again. He's mean. So yeah, just hang towards the bottom, follow that ridge. You can hide under the eaves. You gotta just be careful of the crush depth a little bit, and then you should be good to go. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. That's how you avoid the Collector Leviathan inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.